the fashion industry is one of the most wasteful and contaminating industries out there, but we also know that there are solutions for the problem and there are ways to target this. They're just not as showcased as we'd like it to be, so that's what really inspired this exhibition.
I think it'd be really nice to start using fungal materials to make the fabrics. You can also use fungal pigments as well that you get from all sorts of different coloured fungi to make dyes that you can use in fabrics, but there's a whole range of potential new ones which are non-synthetic and are actually in some ways a lot better because they produce a lot of colours that you can't normally synthesize to make good fabric dyes, like blacks, reds and blues. So potentially you could start to find that fungi infiltrate all of the fashion industry to replace things which are a lot less sustainable.
Sylvia Asian, we makes this yarn from a mix of pineapple plant and nettle. She actually made a wedding dress with this. I think designers have two responsibilities really. The first one is quality, so making clothing that lasts, because I think everyone's got like those white t-shirts that you wear 3 times and they're ready to be thrown out. And paying attention to where the clothes come from and where they're going after use.
Are we just acquiring and discarding because they're available? Are we thinking of the life cycle of these fabrics? Are we thinking of where they're coming from and whether we're supporting the right kinds of environments that would enable us to be empathetic and respectful to both people and the materials that are being cultivated for fashion? Biodegradable materials have been a constant material in my work because I'm so interested in thinking about how I solve problems as an artist. By producing a work that uses ethically sourced materials and natural fibers and dyes like cotton, jute and cheesecloth to try to engage in conversations around sustainable fashion, around art and ecological practices.
We don't want to sacrifice the artistic part of fashion either. We want to look good. So I think it's a bit of a collaborative effort between all fields to get to a sustainable fashion industry.